We're going to start out by learning pattern 1, and we're going to learn it beginning at the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Here it is. Now I just want to mention that when I stretch 2 frets apart like that, I'm using my middle finger for what I often refer to as a big stretch. The name says it all, because you can see that's rather a big stretch and it may hurt your hand a little bit. But please use your middle finger. Resist the temptation to use your 3rd finger like that. The middle finger is in the center of the palm of the hand, so after a while you do get used to that stretch. That's what I call a big stretch. And you do another big stretch in what I call a parallel or symmetrical pattern. That is, the first pair of strings has an identical pattern on it. Then we go up 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, up 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, coming back, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, and then big stretch, big stretch. We'll now go on to pattern number 2, which will start here on the 5th fret, 6th string. And it goes 1, 3, 4, then 3 big stretches in parallel. Again, 1, 3, 4, 3 big stretches. Then we move up, or along this way, 2 frets to the 7th fret, and it goes 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Then come back, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Bring the little finger, drop it down a fret this way. Big stretch, big stretch, big stretch, little finger down a fret, 4, 3, 1. And continuing on to pattern number 3, we go to the 7th fret on the 6th string, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, big stretch, up a fret, big stretch and another big stretch in parallel, coming back, big stretch, little finger back a bit, big stretch, little finger back, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1 in parallel, and finally 4, 2, 1. Now, as you learn these patterns, there's 7 altogether. I've just given you 3 to get going with right now. But as you practice them, you can probably hear that as you move from one pattern to the next, you're really hitting the same set of tones and semitones. So really, you have to think of these patterns as being one scale linking the entire neck. Now what I recommend you do when you practice them is to put on track 1 on the CD and play them very slowly, because you're memorizing these patterns as you go, and listen to the notes in relation to the track that's playing on the CD. Also, I would play rather slowly. You can play along with track 1 quite slowly while you're getting used to the different notes. And as you learn each pattern, tell yourself, this is pattern 1. Give yourself a number. This is pattern 2. So you associate the number with the finger pattern as you go along the neck. That way, when you want to switch patterns, if you're, say, on pattern 3 somewhere and you want to go this way, you know that pattern 2 falls beneath, or if you want to go to pattern 1, it's going to be beneath that, and you won't get lost so easily. Now I'm going to demonstrate track 1 on the CD with playing these patterns. Here's your keynote. Record to A minor to D7, but you start pattern 1 back here. And as I said, you can go really slow. You can move up to pattern 2. And as you can hear, the scale fits with the music being played on the track. I'm going to 3 now on the 7th fret. the main keynote of the scale right here. You could just put your middle finger and practice going, and there's your scale right there. It's a form of A minor scale. You can go a little bit quicker if you like. Of course, you might find that a little challenging if you haven't played these before at all. Just in closing, I will point out that since the chords are A minor to D7, the A minor pentatonic runs right across here, which is right where pattern 1 intersects with it. So that sets you up for lots of nice combinations of combining the pentatonic with the 3-finger scale pattern.